Asian stocks look set for a fourth straight day of gains. We have some positive news from Chinese PMI data. Now, HSBC flash PMI for July came in at an 18-month high at 52. Now, that was above the expectations for 51 and higher than the 50.7 it got the previous month. So on the news, Aussie dollar picked up 0.7%. Copper prices as well jumped 0.35%, and also good news for Australian mining stocks, BHP Billiton and Fortescue Metals. Now this kind of leaves the Australian Central Bank in a bit of a policy bind. It's been voicing some concerns about the Aussie dollar to overvalued and hurting growth. And earlier this week we saw inflation ticking up a bit. So either way, it's tight in terms of moving its interest rates. Now, these concerns were also shared by the New Zealand Central Bank. It raised rates for the fourth time earlier this morning, but signaled it might pause rate hikes. So that sent the Kiwi dollar down by 1% against the greenback. We had some disappointing Japanese export numbers. They fell for the second straight month. They were down 2% versus the expected rise of 1%. And no real movement from the Japanese yen on that news. Also no movement on the news after Japanese PMI came out showing a second month of expansion. But we could see some movement on the yen tomorrow when we get inflation numbers from Japan, which is expected to come in at 3.5%.